Hi students, present running topic is relative velocity. In that relative velocity, one important concept, a man in river or rain umbrella concept, okay, or rain and man concept all are same. Now, here, rain, its velocity is v suffix r. Here, man travels, that is v suffix m. Okay. Now here, man observe the rain velocity. Man observe the rain velocity. Man observed velocity. Okay, that means rain velocity with respect to man. Here observed velocity in the sense relative velocity. Okay, rain velocity minus man velocity. Assume here rain velocity is fixed. Assume rain velocity is fixed. Okay, here man observed velocity changes with man velocity. Okay, for example, man moves 10 meter per second. On that case, appeared rain velocity is in one way. Okay, if in case his velocity is increase, appeared velocity is also changes. Appeared velocity is also changes. Understood? Okay, that means if in case you assume rain velocity is fixed, man observed velocity is changes. Okay, with man velocity. Okay, with man velocity, man observed rain velocity is also changes. Understood? Okay, for example, in first case, rain falls vertically. If rain falls vertically, okay, man moves, it is man velocity. Okay, man moves along horizontal direction. Understood? Now here, rain velocity with respect to man is equal to, you write as rain velocity minus man velocity. Rain velocity minus man velocity. Rain velocity direction same. So which direction changes here? Man velocity direction change. That means it is rain velocity. Now this one is the minus Vm bar. That means man velocity direction. It represents the rain velocity with respect to man. It represents the rain velocity with respect to man. Understood? Okay. So perpendicular. Both are perpendicular in the sense rain with respect to man is equal to, you write as square root of rain square plus man velocity square. Understood? Okay. So that means in this direction, okay, man observed the rain velocity in this direction. Observed, that means relative velocity. Original one is this one, but he observed in this manner. So in this way, in this direction, he holding the umbrella. He holding the umbrella. Okay. Umbrella makes an angle alpha with horizontal. Okay. Umbrella makes an angle alpha with horizontal. From this one, tan alpha is equal to rain velocity by man velocity. Sin alpha is equal to rain velocity by rain with respect to man. Cos alpha is equal to man velocity by rain with respect to man. Okay. Man velocity by rain with respect to man. Okay. If umbrella makes an angle beta with vertical. Okay. If umbrella makes an angle beta with vertical. In this case, tan beta is equal to man velocity by rain velocity. Okay, sin beta is equal to sin beta man velocity by rain with respect to man. Cos beta is equal to rain velocity by rain with respect to man. Understood? Okay. When if the rain falls vertically, when rain falls vertically on this case, okay, these are okay. Rain with respect to man magnitude and angles. Okay. Here in this direction, man observe the rain velocity. Observe in the sense relative velocity. Okay. So in this direction, man holding the umbrella. Okay. This umbrella makes an angle alpha with horizontal, beta with vertical. Understood? Okay. Now, second case, case 2. Here, rain velocity makes an angle theta with vertical. Okay. First case, rain falls vertically downwards. Now second case, rain velocity makes an angle theta with vertical. Understood? Okay. Now, here this one is the man velocity. Okay. Man velocity. Now, this represents apparent velocity rain with respect to man. This represents apparent velocity. It makes an angle beta with vertical. It makes an angle beta with vertical. Understood? Okay. Here, this one gives minus Vm bar. Why minus Vm bar here? Vm1 bar. Why? Because of rain with respect to man is equal to what are formula? Rain velocity minus man velocity. Now rain velocity direction as usual. Man velocity direction is opposite. That's why you write here. Okay. Total. This total distance you have taken x. This total distance you have taken x. Understood? Okay. From this one, tan theta is equal to vertical y, horizontal x. Tan theta is equal to x by y. Tan theta is equal to x by y. See, what about this gap? Total x. This one is here negative sign indicates only direction. Okay, direction reverse. Understood? What about this value? X minus Vm1. This value x minus Vm1. Understood? Okay. So this value is x minus Vm1. Understood? This angle is beta. From this one, tan beta is equal to, you write as x minus Vm1 by y. X minus Vm1 by y. Are you understood? Okay. Once again, here in first case, rain falls vertically downwards. Second case, it makes certain angle. Okay. Apparent rain velocity makes an angle beta with vertical. Understood? Here direction is reversed by using of this one. Understood? Here x and y are constants. X and y are constant. Okay. Next, in case 3, with vertical, it is rain velocity. Okay, man, Vm2. Apparent velocity is also with vertical. rain with respect to man, apparent velocity is with vertical. This is Vm2 bar. Are understood? Okay. Now here in third case, rain velocity originally, okay, rain velocity makes an angle theta with vertical. Now apparent velocity only apparent rain velocity vertically downwards. Apparent rain velocity vertically downwards. From this one, tan theta is equal to, you write as man velocity by rain with respect to man. Man velocity by rain with respect to man. In this case, okay, as usual, rain with respect to man is equal to rain velocity minus man velocity. Rain velocity minus man velocity. Understood? Okay. Next, fourth case. Okay. Now it is vertical. This one is rain velocity. It makes an angle theta. This is man velocity. Okay. Apparent velocity backward. If apparent velocity backward. Understood? It makes an angle beta with vertical. Now this total one represents this one man velocity in opposite direction. Why? Rain with respect to man is equal to rain velocity minus man velocity. Okay, here man velocity direction is reverse. That's why you are taking this one. Okay, it is taken as x. This one is taken as x. What about this one? This one is man velocity minus x. Understood? This one is man velocity minus x. See, it is x. Total one is man velocity. This part is x. What about this part here? Man velocity total minus x means gives this value. Understood? Okay. Here apparent velocity is backward. From this one, sin theta, vertical y. Sorry. You are taking tan theta. Tan theta is equal to x by y. Okay. Tan theta is equal to x by y. Tan beta is equal to man velocity minus x by y. Understood? See, in first case, rain falls vertically downwards, apparent velocity with certain angle. Second case, rain velocity makes certain angle, apparent velocity in forward direction. In third case, apparent velocity vertically. In fourth case, apparent velocity is in backward direction. Understood? Okay. These are the cases. Okay. See one problem. Raindrops are falling downward vertically at 4 km per hour. For a person moving forward at 3 km per hour, feels the rain at. See, in given problem, rain falls vertically. That means this one. Rain velocity downwards 4. Downwards you are taken minus j cap kilometer per hour. Understood? Okay. For a person moving forward, man velocity is equal to 3 I cap kilometer per hour. Understood? Here man feels the rain at. Feels the means rain with respect to man is required. rain velocity minus man velocity. Rain velocity minus man velocity. See, this one is the rain velocity direction. This one is minus man velocity. This one gives rain with respect to man. Okay. Now here rain with respect to man is equal to rain velocity. What is the rain velocity here? Minus 4 j cap. What about man velocity? Minus here 3i cap. Understood? So rain with respect to man is equal to minus common, simply write as 3i cap plus 4 j cap. Here required one is magnitude. Required one is magnitude. Rain with respect to man is equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square. So 9 plus 16. So 25 is equal to 5 km per hour. Understood? Rain with respect to man velocity is equal to here 5 km per hour. Understood? Okay.